Hey y'all, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you are all having a wonderful day. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki and I do all kinds of fun and different unboxings. So if you enjoy subscription box unboxings and product reviews, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You're already here. We'd love to have you join our YouTube family. Guys, don't forget we do have an active giveaway going on. It does end on the 22nd, so there's still time to, or I'm sorry, the 26th. So there is still time to enter. Also, please do give the video a thumbs up if you enjoy. It does help me out. So as you can see, we have a new box to our channel. That is Munchie Mountain. Now, they have a subscription, obviously, but this is not their subscription box. This is their limited edition Halloween care package. So this is supposed to have 75 different Halloween goodies in it. Says the Halloween care package is stuffed full with 75 candies and Halloween snacks. We only have a limited number of Halloween boxes available, so order yours before they run out. It says you can order now to receive it now, or pre-order for October 1st or October 15th shipping dates. So their regular subscription, because this is obviously a one-time box, and this is $39.99. They have their ultimate 50-pack snack box that is $35 a month. The movie night snack box that is $27. Or they have their original snack box that is $30. So you can... Then they have, let's see, then they have their snack club. Okay, so those must be individual boxes. So their snack club includes 40 to 50 randomly selected snacks, and that's $28. And then the mini is 15 to 20 snacks, and that is $20. So let's go ahead and get in here and see exactly what we got in our Halloween care package. So like I said, this is limited edition. And see what kind of goodies we're going to be snacking on. So when we open it, I already see some goodies. This is what we see, all kinds of goodness. So let's just, I guess we'll just start here. All right, so this is actually stickers. We all have a bit of magic in us. It's a little box of stickers. And of course, you know, you've got to have the vampire teeth. And it comes with a like little gooey blood bag. We got some, looks like we got two of the little vampire goldfish. That's cute. And then we've got some Chex Mix Muddy Buddies. Those are really good. I love those. We've got some Franken Cup milk chocolate with green colored creme. Thought it was going to be mint for a second. I was like, but it's not. I was like, I don't know how mint with peanut butter, but then we've got 2 packs here of animal crackers, like little ghosts. We have got some Trick or Treat. This looks like, I think, the original. Yeah, Skinny Pop popcorn. A little monster on it. And then we've got some Monster Pop Big Time Butter Flavored Popcorn. We got some Pirates Booty. This stuff is so good. We got some more of the animal crackers. These are little frosted animal crackers. Oh, we got some veggie chips. These are Ghost and Bat Sea Salt. I love these. I normally get the veggie straws. Those are so good. And then we have got little mini cheese balls. All right, we've got another one of the vampire teeth. And then we have a loose vampire fang action happening. Little orange Halloween spider ring. And then, y'all, the rest literally looks like what a trick-or-treat basket would look like. So we've got, let's see, we've got a couple of the Lance cracker toast cheese, the peanut butter and cheese crackers. We have got Twizzlers, Skittles, upside down, Milky Way minis, York peppermint patty. We got the Reese's pumpkin, some Twix, some Butterfingers. Why can I not turn that around? Some Butterfingers. Ooh, a Count Chocula, little like cereal bar. We have another one of those. We have some peanut M&Ms, some Starburst, a couple little packs here. Looks like 4 packs of the Little Monsters, these fruit snacks. Hershey's Fangs, so like cookies and cream. Let's see, a Rice Krispie treat. Baby Ruth, Three Musketeers, Milk Duds, Snickers, Sour Punch, like Sour Patch Kids, Nestle Crunch, a little regular Hershey bar. I'm not sure if this is like a jawbreaker or a gumball, but it's an eyeball. Oh, a white chocolate Reese Ghost. This is from Quaker. Oh, limited edition Halloween minis. So it's a little mini chocolate chip Quaker bar. I can't get it out. Some more fangs, a little bat ring, some Sixlets, got a couple of those, some more Starburst, a Reese's Mini. We've got another Rice Krispie treat, and another Rice Krispies treat, another one of the chocolate chip Quaker little mini bars, another Reese's, or no, Snickers, another ring, another one of the Sour Punch thingamabobbers. We've got some Oreos, so we've got double stuffed, and then we've got the orange cream, the actual Halloween themed Boo Oreos. And then we've got 2 packs of the Utz Halloween pretzels. So I believe that is everything. Oh wait, nope. We got an Airhead. Another Hershey bar. Kit Kat. So that is everything. So they weren't joking. This literally is packed. Y'all, packed. I mean, so we've got like somewhat savory, like popcorn and things like that. We got pretzels, cheese balls, the Chex Mix, all kinds of candy, the Reese's, the vampire teeth, the goldfish, the little spider rings. This was fun. And obviously with everything that's going on, we've kind of already decided we're not doing trick-or-treating. I don't even know if it's going to be an option here in our area. So this would be a great way to trick-or-treat at home, essentially. because this literally is kind of a little bit of everything that you would get if you went trick-or-treating. So I think this was a really fun box. Munchie Mountain seems like a great subscription if you want to sign up for a snack subscription and get a variety of yummy snacks just to have around your house, take to work, different things like that. So I will put a link to their website down below. Definitely check them out. I want to say a special thank you to our channel members. Your support means so much to me. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and even if you're not a channel member, your support, just being here watching, helps a great deal, and I am very appreciative of that as well. So yeah, tell me what you thought. Do you think you may pick up the limited edition Halloween box? Like I said, I'll put a link down below. Definitely check them out. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will see you on the next one. Bye.